Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources. In Noida Extension, where rapid urbanization and industrialization are taking place, the need for efficient and accurate groundwater surveys is paramount. These surveys help in determining the depth, yield, and quality of groundwater, which is essential for sustainable water management and planning. One of the key aspects of groundwater surveys is the use of advanced technologies and tools for data collection and analysis. Scon Design, a leading company in Noida Extension, specializes in providing state-of-the-art solutions for groundwater surveys. They utilize cutting-edge equipment and software to collect data on groundwater levels, water quality parameters, and geological formations. This allows them to create detailed hydrogeological models that help in understanding the behavior of groundwater systems. The expertise of Scon Design extends beyond just data collection. They also offer comprehensive analysis and interpretation of the collected data. By applying advanced statistical techniques and modeling methods, they are able to identify trends, patterns, and potential risks associated with groundwater resources. This information is crucial for decision-makers in developing strategies for sustainable groundwater management. With the rapid growth of urban areas and industries in Noida Extension, there is an increasing risk of contamination and depletion of groundwater. Scon Design conducts thorough assessments to identify potential sources of pollution and develop mitigation measures to safeguard the quality of groundwater. With their comprehensive approach towards understanding the impact of human activities on groundwater resources, they contribute to safeguarding the availability of clean and reliable water for future generations. Groundwater surveyors are essential in determining and keeping track of the quantity and quality of groundwater resources. Effective and precise groundwater assessments are essential in Noida Extension, where urbanization and industrialization are developing quickly. The depth, yield, and quality of groundwater may be found out thanks to these surveys, which is helpful for sustainable water management and planning. Use of cutting-edge instruments and technologies for data collection and analysis is one of the most important parts of groundwater surveys. Modern solutions for groundwater surveys are the area's top business, Scon Design, in Noida Extension. They gather information on groundwater levels, water quality indicators, and geological formations using state-of-the-art tools and software. This enables them to produce thorough hydrogeological models that aid in comprehending how groundwater systems behave. Scon Design's knowledge goes beyond just data gathering. They also provide thorough analysis and interpretation of the data gathered. They can spot trends, patterns, and potential problems related to groundwater resources,